Welcome back everyone. Last week we showed you how to make dosa. Now dosa is often served with a bunch of different things, pickles, dals, condiments, different types of chutneys. Now today I'm going to show you how to make a coconut chutney using the Vi blender, and it's perfect for serving with dosa if you're going to go ahead and make that recipe, or to just serve on the table with any South Asian meal. This is so easy and quick. First things first, we're going to blend up the body of the chutney in the Vi blender, and then I'm going to make a really nice fragrant and flavorful tempeh on the stove. To the blender jug, add 1 heaped cup of freshly grated or frozen and defrosted coconut, 1/4 cup of roasted chana dal or roasted peanuts, 2 to 3 green chilies, 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger, 8 curry leaves, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of filtered water. Insert the tempeh to the lid and then blend on nut mode for around 60 seconds. You may need to scrape down the edges, and you might also need to adjust it with a little bit more water. Blend until you get the texture and consistency that you like. Pour the chutney into a serving dish, and then you can move on to making the tempeh. In a small pan, heat 2 teaspoons of ghee or coconut oil to medium heat. Then add a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a teaspoon of urad dal, 1 or 2 dried red chilies, and 8 curry leaves. You're looking for the mustard seeds and urad dal to sizzle slightly, almost like they're dancing in the pan, and be careful when you add the curry leaves because they will spit and splash a little bit. Pour this over the top of your coconut chutney. It's ready to serve as is, or you might like to mix it through. So simple and easy, but this is loaded with flavor. It looks so festive and awesome. I wish you could smell it, I wish you could taste it, but you'll have to make it for yourself. And if you do, then let us know how you went in the comments section below. For more great healthy recipes, then check out our blog. Make sure you have a go at that dosa recipe as well. And if you haven't yet, then hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our Luvele life videos. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back really soon with another video.